And the entity has been infected with Luther's algorithm.
Okay, then what?
Then, you're gonna cut that red wire and let the entity in. All we need now is for Ethan to get that pill.
You'll think of it out.
Remember. We'll figure out to go to school. We'll figure out to go to Ohio on July 29. We'll figure out to go to South County, Texas, to the beach in Texas on June 16, June 19. So, we'll figure out to go to Ohio. We'll figure out to go to Cedar Point in Ohio. So, we'll figure out to go to Ohio. We'll figure out to go to France or Italy. We'll figure out to go to Orlando, Florida for one day. We'll figure out to go to New York City, United States. We'll figure out to go to Ohio. We'll figure out tomorrow. That's so funny, but I guess so. So, we'll figure out for first day of the school year until August 15, 2016. August 15, 2026. We'll figure out to go to school in August 15, 2026. We'll figure out to go to school for first day of school at 11th grade. That's so funny, but I guess so. Mission Impossible. The movie is funny. So, maybe Airplane of Clouds in Texas. It's Southwest Airline or Emirates Airline or American Airline. That's so funny, but I guess so. Mission Impossible. The movie is funny. Mission Impossible is so funny. It's so funny. And maybe Airplane in the Clouds in Texas by Gelsos.